Fun with Cookie Fractions, Part 1. Welcome. We're going to have fun with fractions today. What is a fraction? A fraction tells you the number of parts out of a whole. What do the numbers of a fraction mean? A fraction is made up of two numbers, the numerator and the denominator. The top number is called the numerator. It shows how many parts are decorated or colored in. The bottom number is the denominator. It tells the total number of parts. When all the pieces are colored in or decorated, it is called a whole. Two equal pieces are called halves. We have 1, 2, they're both the same size, they're equal pieces. If we look at a different shape, we would still have two equal pieces. 3 equal pieces are called thirds. 4 equal pieces are called fourths. 5 equal pieces are called fifths. 6 equal pieces are called sixths. And so on. 12 equal pieces are called twelfths. Let's practice. What is the fraction for this cookie? 3/5. There are 5 total pieces and 3 pieces of cookie are there. What is the fraction for this cookie pan? This is 1/2 of the cookie pan. We have 2 equal pieces, but only 1/2 is there. 2 equal pieces, 1 has cookies, 1/2. What is the fraction for this cookie pan? 9/12. There are 12 pieces, 9 of them are filled. So there are 9 out of 12 sections filled with cookies, 9/12. What is the fraction for this cookie? 2/6. Let's take a look. There are 6 pieces and 2 still have a cookie. 2/6. What is the fraction for this cookie? 1/2. What is the fraction for this cookie? 4/5. There are 5 pieces. 4 of them still have cookie. 4/5. What is the fraction for this cookie pan? 2/2. 1/2. 2/2. 2 halves. We could also say 1 whole. What is the fraction for this cookie? 1/5. There are 5 equal pieces, but only one left. 1/5. What is the fraction for this cookie pan? 3/4. There are 4 equal pieces. 3 of them are filled with cookies. What is the fraction for this cookie? 1/3. There are 3 equal pieces, but only one cookie is there. 1/3. Great job. Now it's time for the lightning round. Doing this a little quicker now. Some fractions will appear on the screen. Be ready to name that fraction. 2 halves, also known as 1 whole. 2/5. 1/4. There is one piece out of 4 still there. 1 whole. 3/4. There are 3 pieces of cookie out of 4 left. 3/5. There are 3 out of 5 equal pieces there. 1/3. There is 1 out of 3 pieces there. 2/4. 2 out of 4 pieces are there. Or we could say, if it's a circle cut in half, there is 1 out of the 2 pieces there. So we could say there is 2/3. There are 3 equal pieces to still have a cookie. Thank you for joining me.